War Day number 924. 924 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, September the 4th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved. Two puzzles are left, the binary and the Sudoku with 4 stars. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with the second regular puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku number 9208. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Should be 24. 4 Stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. This one has 1 printed digit more, should be a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by 4 stars by the publisher. So for 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, there are only 3 places left with 7. Should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, last column, no 7 there. 7 in the column next, no 7 there. The only place left with 7 should be there. 8, 8. 6, 6. 1, 1. Well, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left with 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers 2 and the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 6 and the 3. 6 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 1, 1. Yeah. 6, 6. 8, 8. Well, here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this last row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in this column. No 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, there are only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. And then need a 4, need a 9. Need a 2 here. Well. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. Let me mark those. There are 2 numbers left in this row, column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Interesting. Also 2 and a 9. Here 3 here. Well. 2 numbers left. No, not 2 numbers left. Need a 6 here. A 2 in here. Well, in this row we need 2. We need 2 numbers here. In this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5, need a 5 there. 5, 5, need a 5 here. 5, 5, need a 5 there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, the only 3 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 in the first column, no 7 there, the only place left, the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, 8 should be there. Well, in this column we need a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5 because we have 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the third row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between the only 3 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 in the second column, no 5 there. The only place left, the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. Then 1, 1. Need a 9. Need a 4. Well, 149. 1. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have 2 and 3 in this column. No 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as spare. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number, I believe the 9. Yeah, 2, 3, 9. 9 should be here. And all the 2 numbers in this big square, the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 1. Need a 2, 8, and then 9. 2 and 9. Okay. And now need a 6 here. Need a 1, 4. I need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 2 here. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. 1, 6, and a 4. 1, 6, and a 4. 1, 6, and a 4. 4, 9, and 1. 2, 4, 9. The 6 here. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the fifth column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only place left of 9 should be there. We have a pair, the 2 and the 9 in this row, the 2 and the 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left of the 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. So if eliminated here, the 8, so the 8 goes there. And we have a pair again, the 8 and the 6 in this row, the 8 and the 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left of the 8 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left of 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 8. Okay, 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this third column for numbers, the 1. 2 is missing. The 3, well, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have 6 and a 3. We have 3 now in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. 1 box left now in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 and 3, 4 is missing here. Then, well. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there, yeah. This big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Here, 2 and a 9 are left. We have a pair here, 2 and a 9 here, also 2 and a 9. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 3. So the 1 and the 6 are left. Here 2 and the 9. 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, but 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 and the 9, we have a 4 now in the middle row, so this box should be a 9, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 or 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 2. 2 or 9, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 9. 2 or 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 2. 2 or 9, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Well, 1 and a 6, we have a 1 now in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the final 2 missing numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Well, solve it again, and I like this one, yes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.